Howdy. So I've been getting a couple of comments, or I've always had this comment come up on like a lot of my videos where people ask me, or they say, you don't post often enough, or like, how do you expect to grow if you only post once every couple of months or whatever? And I thought, you know what, I'll make a little video explaining what the hell my process is. Like, the idea when I started this channel was to do motovlogs, and I've never really done one, so here we are. The thing is, the concept for my channel, for like reviewing bikes and reviewing gear and stuff, I've always wanted to do like a Top Gear on bike sort of situation, and that takes a lot of time and planning and even money and logistics and relationships and stuff to pull off. It takes a long time to film, it takes a long time to edit, you need several cameras, you need all these relationships, and I am a guy, I'm just one guy. I don't have an editor, don't have a camera person, it's just me. I'm also working full time, I got a 4-year-old, I got other stuff going on, so I'm busy, man. So it's tough to find the time. If I'm not at work, I'm generally looking after my kid. Occasionally the stars will align and we'll get a beautiful dry day like today. We'll have my son in nursery and I'll not be in work. If all those three things happen at once, then I can go out and film. But anyone that lives in the UK will tell you it's not that often that we get beautiful, dry, sunny days like today. So yeah, that's the struggle of content creation when you've got adult responsibilities. The people putting out a video every other day, they've only got themselves to look after. I have not, I am a father. Having said that, what I realized is I ride to work at least once a week. You know, at least one of my 4 shifts I will ride to work on the bike, so I could totally do a motovlog series, kind of like this, when I'm on my commute, either talking about a specific topic or telling you what's coming up next on the channel, what I'm reviewing, what I've just filmed, what I'm editing at the moment, how things are going, what I'm struggling with. I've just finished editing the Suzuki GSX 8S video, which I filmed over a week ago. I'm really hoping that one day we get to the point where manufacturers are lending me bikes for, you know, a week or at least a couple of days, and I'm not at work, so I can go out and actually ride the things. 'Cause what I would love to do is get the bike, spend 3-4 days not even thinking about the video, just riding it in all weathers and all terrains, all styles, and then go out and write a video for it. The only way we're going to get to that stage where I can do that and do a proper in-depth actual review for you guys instead of a first ride is if you hit that subscribe button right now, if you're not already. That's the only way, because I need the channel to be big enough to justify the ask from the manufacturers, and at the moment it's not. So it's not just me trying to grow, which I am. It's not a vanity metric, it's a bargaining tool. Also in these videos where I'm just ripping, very simple motovlog, I hope you get to know me a little bit more, because you might be there watching the reviews but you don't know who I am. I don't have, like, inject my personality and stuff into the video, so if you want to get to know me, then probably watch more of these. The corking, amazing. Oh, I haven't told you guys as well, just so it doesn't come as a shock, I'm also doing some car content now. So we're going to be filming a couple of reviews of some Ford cars first of all, maybe some Toyotas afterwards. I've got some relationships with car dealerships that I used to work in. I'm going to try and leverage, see if I can borrow a couple of cars and do a couple of reviews. See, the overarching inspiration for this channel was always Top Gear and the Grand Tour. Like, I wanted to make Top Gear on bikes. That was always my, like, North Star. Now it's very, very difficult to hit top gear levels of quality on your own with no assistance and no one telling you how to do it. So I'm not saying I'm anywhere near that, because I mean they've got a whole production crew and a massive budget, and I'm just a guy with a couple of GoPros and one decent Sony camera. And the thing is, I do feel like I'm yet to find my audience, or my audience is yet to find me, because I don't do spec sheet readouts. There are a million bike channels out there that will tell you what horsepower the bike has got and the torque that it's got and how they've increased the bore length. And I find it all so boring. I'm not that way inclined. I just like riding the things. So my videos kind of reflect that. I talk more about what it's like to own a bike, or the experience riding it. I think that's more interesting to me, and I'm sure it is to other people as well. Like, what is this bike like to ride, and what is it like to own? So yeah, there will be more videos like this. I think that it solves two problems at once. It solves the upload frequency, because you are right, all the people in the comments that say, like, you don't upload enough, or you're too slow with it making these videos and stuff. You are right, but I mean, there's a physical constraint at the moment that I cannot get around until my son goes to school in September. Then I'm gonna have much more time. But until then, and even after then, I can make at least a video every week like this, right into work, talking about a topic or what I've got going on in terms of the channel, what I've just filmed, what I'm about to film. I could do that. And the other problem that it solves is it enables you to get to know me a little bit better, because I want you to come back not just to watch the videos. I want you to come back because you want to hang out with me, and I feel like you don't know me yet. So I'm probably a little bit more chill and a bit more introverted than your average YouTuber. Like, I am not the guy that's going to be screaming and jumping up and down and filming myself fucking dancing in a petrol station or staging fake interactions with the public for views. That's just not me. I'm gonna leave it there for this one. I hope you enjoyed riding with me. I will speak to you again soon. See you later.